wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Onyx Food Hill. I'm here to show you how to achieve this perfect reddish color of jollof rice you usually see in parties. So this is very easy to prepare. All you just need is your paprika and some tomatoes. This is what it looks like. It is one of the main ingredients that adds redness to our jollof rice. What we are going to do, we are going to use 60% of the paprika and 40% of the tomatoes. As you can see, I'm using just less tomatoes, but the paprika, they are up to 6 to 7 pieces. Other things we need are some tomato paste. I'm using just 2 tablespoons, 2 medium onions, thyme, curry, some stock cubes. I'm using Maggi, 3 cloves of garlic, crayfish, and beef stock. I have removed all these seeds because I don't want the seed in the rice. And also I'm using some scotch bonnets, just about 4 there. As usual, I'm going to bring this into a pot. I prefer to cook this before blending, just as I've mentioned in my previous video. So I'm going to boil this for some minutes. While I'm boiling the tomatoes, I'll go ahead and chop the pepper and also blend the crayfish and mince the garlic. It makes it simple. We are going to make this jollof rice without parboiling the rice. It's one of the great ways of making jollof rice. The outcome is going to be really wonderful, so just keep watching. This has cooked for 5 minutes. I'm going to transfer this into the blender and blend. This, I'm not going to add water. I'm just going to blend this into a chunky paste, not completely flat. I'm going to put a link on how I prepare my tomato puree, so you can watch out for that. I hope you can see this clearly. There's no water added. I'll set this aside. Now we have the crayfish, the pepper, onion, and garlic ready. You can add ginger. I intentionally skip that. You can add other ingredients if you want. To place the medium pot on heat, add few tablespoons of cooking oil, or just enough to fry your onion and your tomato paste. Let's start by frying garlic. Now add a little water to the tomato paste to dissolve it. I've fried this for about 30 seconds, so I'm going to add the tomato paste. You're going to stir fry this until the sour taste is completely gone. Once this is properly fried, add the pepper mix into it. You don't need to over fry this because you have already cooked it, so it won't be a problem at all. Now go ahead and season this with 3 stock cubes, a teaspoon of thyme, a tablespoon of curry powder. I'm going to add in some beef stock. I noticed it's becoming very thick and dry. If you don't have beef or chicken stock, you can use water, that will be fine. Then you add more seasoning so it tastes nice. I'll add some water because that quantity won't be enough. Place a lid over it and leave it to simmer. I'm going to measure in 2.5 cups of rice. I'm going to bring it under running water just to add cold water into it. Just make sure you wash the rice until the water turns out very clean. Once the water has become very clean like this, set the rice aside. And the content has started boiling, so I'm going to bring in the ground crayfish. Test for salt before you think of adding another one because of your stock. You're now going to bring in the rice you just washed. The water should just be slightly above the rice and not too much. Let's just stir this until it's combined. So before I place the lid over it, I'm going to add 4 bay leaves. And I'm going to wrap the lid of my pot with foil paper and allow this to steam while cooking. Okay, so we've been cooking this for a while. Let's see how far it has gone. Now the water is almost dried, so you can check the rice to see if it's soft. If it's not soft enough, then you add more water to it and still place the lid over it. This water should be enough to cook it completely. So I'm just coming back to check this the second time. So I'll leave this to dry properly. So make sure you stir it gently. Then leave this to dry completely. Just look at how perfect the color is. Painting all over this kitchen, it smells good. The color is perfect and the rice looks juicy. The ingredients is just enough as it is. So don't forget to take out the bay leaves. The rice is ready. Guys, this is my final outcome after it has been dished out. The rice is really delicious and the smell is awesome. Thank you for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe, like my video, and also share this video with your friends. Until next time, bye.